Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries the universe holds, especially regarding our neighboring red planet, Mars? It's a world that has sparked our curiosity for centuries, a crimson sphere suspended in the infinite cosmos. We've launched numerous expeditions, sent rovers and orbiters to its surface, all with the aim of uncovering its secrets. Our quest has primarily been to find signs of past water and the potential for life. But could there be more to this enigmatic planet than meets the eye? What if Mars holds the keys to a narrative far more ancient and intriguing? A narrative that involves not just life, but an entire civilization that once thrived on its surface. It's a theory that defies traditional thinking, a theory that promises to take us on a journey to the unknown. So let's unravel the mysteries and explore the possibility of an ancient civilization on Mars. There are intriguing clues that suggest the existence of an ancient civilization on Mars. One such clue that stirred the public's imagination is the face on Mars. Captured in a photo by the Viking 1 orbiter in 1976, this mile-long mesa seemed to bear an uncanny resemblance to a human face. However, subsequent high-resolution images and studies suggest that this face is more likely a trick of light and shadow on a naturally occurring landform. In the same region of Mars, known as Cydonia, there are other peculiar structures. Some of these formations appear to be geometric in nature, leading some to postulate that they could be remnants of artificial buildings. These structures, however, could also be the result of natural geological processes. The debate continues as researchers grapple with the thin line between compelling patterns and pareidolia, the human tendency to perceive patterns where none exist. Another fascinating piece of evidence comes from the possible riverbeds and deltas spotted on the Martian surface. If these were indeed formed by flowing water, it opens up the tantalizing possibility that Mars could have supported life in the past. And where there's water and life, there could be the potential for that life to have evolved into an intelligent species. There are also claims of artifacts found on Mars. These range from what some believe to be tools to possible statues. However, we must tread lightly here. The line between an intriguing hypothesis and wild speculation can be thin, and these claims often lack the definitive proof needed to turn speculation into accepted fact. While the evidence is compelling, it's crucial to understand the scientific community's perspective on these anomalies. After all, science is about rigorous testing and evidence-based conclusions. Most scientists stand firmly on the belief that Mars never harbored an advanced civilization. The red planet's barren, harsh landscape gives little indication of a past filled with bustling life and sophisticated societies. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Our understanding of Mars, much like the planet itself, is ever evolving. The scientific community, in its quest to demystify the universe, has offered some compelling explanations for the intriguing anomalies we've come across on Mars. Again, let's revisit the face on Mars theory. This peculiar formation has sparked many a debate, its visage seeming to stare back at us from the cold, alien terrain. Although most geologists would tell you that this face is a trick of light and shadow playing on a naturally occurring Martian mesa, there are still some that believe some form of extraterrestrial life created that formation in some way. Through wind erosion and the natural process of weathering, Mars has sculpted a myriad of intriguing shapes in its rocky landscape. Similarly, the geometric formations in the Cydonia region, which some believe resemble artificial structures, are also explained through geological processes. The forces of nature, it seems, are quite the artists, creating patterns and structures that tease our imagination. And what about the potential riverbeds and deltas scattered across Mars' surface? Scientists believe these are remnants of ancient water flows, a testament to a time when Mars was much warmer and wetter. The presence of water, however, does not automatically equate to the presence of life, let alone an advanced civilization. Artifacts on Mars? Again, science urges caution. Pareidolia, the psychological phenomenon where the human mind perceives familiar patterns where none exist, plays a significant role in these claims. A rock formation that looks like a fossil to one observer might be seen as just a rock to another. Despite these explanations, the scientific community remains open to new interpretations and discoveries. After all, the universe is a vast, mysterious place, and we have only just begun to scratch the surface. Despite the scientific standpoint, there are researchers who believe otherwise. Let's delve into their perspective. A group of researchers persists in the belief of a Martian civilization. They argue, with a sense of wonder and curiosity, that life on Mars may have evolved past the microbial stage into a form of intelligent life. They point to the enigmatic structures in the Cydonia region, which they believe may not be mere tricks of light and shadow, but could be the remnants of an ancient civilization. These researchers also propose that we might be missing the signs of this Martian civilization. They suggest that the evidence could be buried beneath the Martian soil, obscured by billions of years of cosmic radiation and meteor impacts. Or perhaps, the signs of intelligent life are so different from what we're used to on Earth that we're simply not recognizing them. This alternative view invites us to expand our thinking and consider the vast range of possibilities that the universe might hold. The belief in an ancient Martian civilization leads us to numerous open questions and the future of Mars exploration. The quest to uncover life on Mars, past or present, is far from over. With each new dawn, we find ourselves on the cusp of groundbreaking discoveries, propelled by the thirst for knowledge and the spirit of exploration. Upcoming missions to the Red Planet hold promising potential. Advanced technologies and innovative scientific approaches could provide us with the tools to unearth new information, peeling back layers of mystery that have shrouded Mars for eons. The possibility of an ancient Martian civilization remains an open question. With every rover's wheel that touches the Martian soil and with every orbiter that scans its surface, we inch closer to the answers. The secrets that Mars holds within its rusty terrain may still be locked away, waiting for the right key to unlock them. As we look forward to future missions, the enigma of Mars continues to intrigue us. Mars, with its myriad secrets, continues to fuel our curiosity and inspire our quest for knowledge. We've journeyed through the evidence, the scientific discourse, and the alternative views. Each perspective adds a unique facet to the enigma that is Mars. From the tantalizing theories of ancient civilizations to the cautious skepticism of the scientific community, the dialogue continues to evolve. We've glimpsed possible riverbeds and deltas, the intriguing face on Mars, and geometric shapes that some argue resemble artificial structures. Yet, these findings remain enigmatic, whispering hints of a past that still eludes our understanding. Our quest for knowledge doesn't end here. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Red Planet, we inch closer to answering the open questions that have captivated us for centuries. Whether these secrets point to past life or an ancient civilization, only time and exploration will tell. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.
It's London Lee.